you're looking pretty good today. You know what's not? The way you paint skin. I've seen it. The black you use to shade, the white for your highlights, the over-blending. Please, let me help you. Obviously you need it. First, draw and color in your simple subject. I just watched the original Little Mermaid for the first time in my life 3 weeks ago, and I didn't know what I was missing. Seriously, I don't know what I'm missing. I don't feel any different. Anyway, using Arial as a reference, I will show you the best way to color skin. Trust me, you guys will be thanking me for how easy this is. If you've been subbed to me for a little while now, you'll know that our first step is to always whip out the airbrush. Don't be shy now. This gives us color without the effort. If you take a reference, you'll see that the forehead and jaw have yellow hues, the eyes and under the neck have dark blue or purple, and the midface and part of the neck has a peachy dark red color. Now that the boring part's over, let's get crackin'. Airbrush all of the colors to their designated places. Next, we'll want to make a new layer above everything except the line art and set it to multiply. Use a dark red-brown and shade all the areas that need it. Leave some edges hard, like under the neck and nose. You can soften others, but don't do it too much. Now you may be wondering, Nana, where did you get your brushes? I got you. A link to download these 3 bad boys are in the description. While you're down there, please consider smashing the like button because this really helps out my channel and it lets me know if you guys want more content. Anyways, let's continue with this monstrosity. So, you've done the shading and airbrushing. Now what? Well, let me tell you. Alpha lock the shading layer and airbrush a blue to the darkest parts of your shading and a red to some of the edges. Feel free also to soft erase some of the edges to make it look a little softer. Okay, we're done now, right? Incorrect. We're gonna do something insane. Get your hard brush back out and add a new layer above the shading and set it to add or color dodge, whichever you prefer. Clip this new layer to your color folder, or if you're a degenerate, use the lasso tool to confine it to your drawing. Now take a bright red orange, pick the angle your light is coming from, and go ham. Now it's looking pretty sexy. And that is the finished product. Let me know if this tutorial helped you and comment what you want to see next. Stay tuned for more and subscribe for future videos. Thank you so much for all of the support so far. Bye. Oh, wait. Looks like I messed up on this part. Let me just erase it real.